Today we have a 2003 Ford F-150. We'll be replacing the front shocks. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So in order to replace the front shock here, or strut, it does have a coil, but technically it is a shock. First thing we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and just pull this off here. And now with a number 19 deep socket, my impact gun, I'm gonna remove this nut here. I'm just gonna tighten it, or not really tighten, just kind of leave it here to help support the shock from falling straight down when we remove the two bolts or nuts at the bottom. So I'm gonna remove this over number 19, and then we'll go to the next one. Just giving y'all a quick view here. I did not remove the fender cover here. Instead, my impact, you see the hose is directly behind this, right there. So I just put it in the engine bay. I'm gonna angle it to where it's flush, and then release that nut. So go ahead and do it. So I've loosened that nut up there and just pretty much thread it just on the top just to hold it. Now with the number 13 deep socket, we're gonna come down here and remove these two nuts here. One and two. And now that's loose here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this nut and just drop the entire shock and reinstall the new one. So this is my new shock here. Before I install it, however, we're gonna go ahead and put these new bushings in here. So, like so, just slide it in. And now we're gonna slide this into the area here and thread the bolts in and zap it in. So let me go ahead and get that in, and I'll show you the next step. So I've gone ahead and put the two 13mm nuts in the bottom and zapped them in place. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the top bushing in here and thread our nut in here. Now once I thread the nut in, we're gonna pretty much hit it with the impact until this rubber bushing here bubbles outward. So let me go ahead and get this on, tighten it down, and I'll give you all a view of what it looks like before we're done. So I've tightened that 19mm nut until it bubbled out like so, you can see here. So now we're pretty much done with the shock here. We're just gonna throw the wheel back on and we're done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.